Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. On today's video we are going to upgrade the lighting in this barn. As you can see here, we have some lights up here and they're okay. They're just not the greatest. So we are going to fix that today, show you how to do it, and believe me, anybody can do this. Alright folks, this is what we currently have installed here in the barn. It's just a single bulb plastic fixture. These fixtures here are, when you open them up, get them out of the package, they say they are rated for a 60-watt light bulb. The reason is not because this cannot handle more than a 60-watt light bulb. If you put a 100-watt light bulb in this fixture itself could handle it. However, the reason why they tell you not to do that is because of the heat that comes off of the light bulb. 60-watt light bulb, as you well know, once it's in here for a minute or so, it gets so hot that you can't hardly touch it. You got to shut the light off to remove the light bulb, and that heat buildup against this fixture is why they tell you not to use more than a 60-watt light bulb. These LED fixtures put off very little heat. So like this fixture, they say no more than a 60-watt light bulb. These fixtures, these LEDs, you can pretty much put any LED that's manufactured to screw into this. You can put it in there and you're not going to have any issues. The reason being is no heat. What heat is generated from this is away from the fixture itself, so you should have no problem at all upgrading any light where you have enough room to fold this up and screw it in. If you can do that, you should be able to operate one of these lights in one of these fixtures. Folks, we just went ahead and just installed 3 of these light fixtures. We actually have about 8 of them total in this room, and we just installed 3. So I got the existing lights on, and the 3 that I've installed are currently off. However, I'm going to flip the switch here so that you can see the difference between the LEDs and the incandescent 60-watt light bulbs. How about that? That's amazing, isn't it? How much difference using less power. And these light fixtures I bought off of Amazon, and they are a little over $10 a piece. So it's very inexpensive switch these out. Like I said, they're cost effective. It's going to cost you less to run them, plus you get more light. So it's all around a win-win situation. So let me get them all changed out and then I'll show you the finished product. I want to show you up close how difficult it is to install one of these fixtures. If you'll notice here, this fixture here, this wall was actually built after these lights were installed. So I literally have 1.5 inches between the wall and the box, and the edge of this fixture actually hangs over the 1.5 inches there a little bit. So I probably have about 1.25 inches there between the wall and the light fixture, and I can take this fixture. I gotta fold these in just a little bit, keep them from hitting. Get them screwed in there, and then I can still adjust all these down except for that back one. So very easy installation, very nice on limited space areas, and again, you're saving money and getting more light like that one over there. Alright folks, I got them all installed here. We're going to walk around here, flip some switches so you can see what's going on. There's a couple there I went ahead and installed over the tools so I can see what I'm after. Got the lights up here on. Let's walk over here and get these. These are the lights we installed on the last video. So check out the difference. It's amazing. So get you a view from back here versus before. How about that? All right, I'm gonna go out here. My original intentions when I wired these lights here was to do a third row right along there, and I just never got to it. So I just currently have 2 rows going down through here. So we're gonna swap these bulbs out also, and then we'll come back and show you the difference there. Let's turn that row on and turn that row off. Installed, and yes, that is my truck. Before you guys started giving me grief, I climbed on top of it to get that light because it's 18 degrees here in Ohio right at the moment, and I don't want to pull all this equipment out. I did not climb on top of this, what's under here, or my wife would have killed me. But let me go hit the switch so you can see what we got going on here. There you are, folks. All 8 of them are installed, and it really brightens the place up. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button if you like it, and we'll see you on the next one. I almost forgot. Anybody need any light bulbs?